Happy birthday, Cindy Nunim. 68 is finally here. Third girl in our family, the very best, we all agree.
Always calm, always kind. You loved your little brother's life.
You helped so many people see. Now it's time to simply be.
Dance with Jesus step by step.
He's your shepherd,
Don't forget.
from Zumba moves to cha-cha nights. He will lead you in his light.
Sister,
Please don't fall. Jesus holds you through it all. Green pastures, quiet streams.
He's still leading all your dreams.
Retired now, yet life is new. Every dance belongs to you.
Happy birthday,
Cindy Nunim,
the good shepherd.
always near.
Keep on smiling,
Keep on dancing,
keep believing.
keep on laughing. Third girl's the best.
Yes, it's true.
Happy birthday, we love you.